After my pregnancy, I understood that there was going to be some hair loss. So I said, okay, I accepted that. That's just a normal part of, having a baby. But I noticed that within a year or two afterwards, I've noticed that my hair started falling out. Besides just kind of being a little sad and just shocked that I was losing hair, it was almost like, okay, what was wrong? I was trying to find out what was the root of the problem. So it caused me a little bit of an anxiety because I was just trying to figure out what was wrong with me. It made me more closer to my number age than what I really felt inside. I use a Theradome every day. Sometimes I use it twice a day. I like to do it first thing in the morning when I get up, and sometimes I put it on at night as well, just before I go to bed. Once I'm done with everything, put it on. That's my relaxed time, and I just put it on my head, do my nighttime routine, and then I'm done. Theradome has changed my hair drastically. I've noticed that I've got more hair. It feels thicker. And I've noticed that I've got a lot more new hair growth, which is exactly what I wanted, because I felt like my hair was falling out and it was just not getting replenished. It just was falling out and getting kind of sparse. And I've noticed that I've got a lot of new hair growth popping up here and there, and that was just really super exciting. I love it. I know then that's working. My friends and family have noticed that I do have more hair, and my hair looks thicker and healthier, and it looks great.